Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over the printf function. Here we'll say my name is Miguel. We'll say this with a percentage sign S, and this is my percentage sign D video. I'll put a table here to show you what these arguments represent, and we'll feed it Miguel. Of course, we'll incorrectly spell Miguel here. And we'll put it number 7 here as well. Now, the way this works, right, is that if this Miguel goes into percentage signs S and 7 goes into percentage signs D. So here when we refresh it, you say my name is Miguel, this is my 7 video. And then we save right here, and we'll just fix this up. We'll put a comma right there and put a TH right there for aesthetic purposes. Refresh, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.